Welcome back, sixth graders. I hope that you are up today and getting back into the flow of things. I know it's hard to get back into school mode after a long break. I know everybody at my house is getting used to it again. Even yesterday, my wife and I were both on our computers trying to figure out, okay, what do we need to do to get ready for tomorrow, getting back to school after this week and a half off. So we are going to be starting lesson 3 in the weather chapter, sort of. That's what the topics basically are. So lesson 3 has to do with air masses. And so we're going to start today just by introducing the vocabulary words to you, just to get started. So in Schoology, you will notice that there is an assignment, but there are not any submissions that you need to make for today. So if you look in Schoology, I'm in the Schoology website because I'm using my laptop, so it looks a little bit different than your iPads do. But in the week 7, or the quarter 2, week 7 folder, we've got one thing there. That's the intro to vocabulary, and Monday's on here, so that's what we're going to do today. Really quite simple. I would like you to put the attachment into Notability just so you can look at it, and if you want to make notes on it or highlight things, you can do that. Go through the slideshow, practice saying the words and its definition, and then there is a Quizlet embedded in here to help you practice using those words and just matching the definitions and such. So if you look at those vocabulary terms, again, this is the lesson about air masses. So the first definition is for air mass. That's a huge body of air that has similar temperature, humidity, and air pressure. The second one is jet stream. That would be a band of high-speed winds about 6 to 14 kilometers above Earth's surface. 1 kilometer is about 2/3 of a mile, and so it's about 4 miles or higher above the surface. The next one is front. In weather terms, that's the boundary where the air masses meet. Cyclone, that's a swirling center of low air pressure that spirals toward the center. It's also known as a tropical storm, and you can see a picture here. I believe a hurricane is a type of cyclone. Anticyclone is a high pressure center of dry air that spirals out from the center. And so you can see there's clouds around it, but the air is being pushed out from the center. Prevailing, that means existing at a particular time and place. So oftentimes that's used as like prevailing winds. So those are the winds that are happening at a certain time or place. Oftentimes you're talking about right now. Stationary means not moving. So a stationary front, like the one in the picture here, would be a front that is not moving at all. And those are your vocabulary terms. So go through and look at those again, maybe read them to yourself, and then look at our Quizlet that's embedded into the assignment. But you do not need to do any submission, but please go through that and just get yourself started on that vocabulary. It's going to be some new words as we're starting the new lesson. Have a great day, and hopefully I will see you at 2 o'clock.